Hey, it's Antonella, and today we are talking about ranking on the first page of Google with zero ad spend, leveraging YouTube. So we're going to take a very unique perspective on this. We'll talk briefly about Google, and then we're going to dive into that YouTube side of this. So you want to get on the first page of Google. That means you're going to rank. Ranking means you're ending up on that first page of Google in 24 hours. And we're going to do that by providing value, creating searchable titles on our videos, sharing socially, and posting every day. And we're going to do all of this without spending money on advertising. If you're interested in this and learning a little bit more about that, down below I have a link to my 10-day course that talks you through getting on the first page of Google. So, first thing we really want to do is let YouTube learn about us, learn about our channel, and figure out where we need to be and what we're talking about. We do that through our title, and our title is going to leverage keywords. We're going to look at other videos in our niche, and we're going to identify what keywords are being used and see which of those keywords are relevant and how we can incorporate them into our title and include them in our tags and in our description. We're going to repeat our title in the description. We're going to repeat the title in the video, at the very beginning of our video. And one of the things that YouTube automatically creates is that those captions or subtitles that you see for your video. And every video that is uploaded, it creates that. Google reads that, and it helps determine what this video is about. So when people search, it knows what content is relevant to that search. And all these are going to help place your video in searches, and they will be recommended on YouTube. And the second part of that is we're going to let YouTube and Google do all the hard work. So you want your videos to show up on searches. So you want them to be found. And that's why what we talked about earlier, we want our title and our tags and our description to really hone in on what it is that video is about. We want to make sure that it's leveraging keywords, and we want to make sure that they are all consistent with the title that we picked for that video. We want to get our video clicked, and we do that by creating great thumbnails. We do that by creating good titles for our videos. And when we pick terms that are actually being searched on Google and on YouTube, people will find our videos. They'll see that our title is relevant to what they're searching. And because we're going to create some really awesome thumbnails, we are going to get clicked. We want people to watch our entire video. And if they're not going to watch the whole thing, we want them to watch at least 50% of it. That's really important because that watch time is something that both Google and YouTube look at to determine if this is a good, solid video and if they should continue recommending it on the side when someone clicks on another video in that same niche. And then Google's going to look at all of this. And when we do it properly, we are going to land on the first page of that Google search. Pro tip, what's good for YouTube is good for Google. So keep that in mind when you're creating your videos. Content and value is the most important thing you can do. Keyword rich. So comment below, how are you using YouTube? Are you using any of those keywords? Are you creating great titles? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, thumbs up and like it. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notify bell. And I will see you tomorrow